They're back. Dodging potholes in the city of Buffalo is taking a toll on some local drivers and their cars.
News 4's Angelica Morrison shares the story of one driver whose run-in with a pothole cost him more than $1,000 in damages.
Yo, this pothole.
This is an alert for Buffalo and Niagara counties, for Erie County and Nye County. This is an absolute nuclear tech. If you are one of the residents that lives in the cities, please evacuate immediately or go into a shelter. If not, go to a different city. Here's what did the use. You have a battery, radio, drinks, food, water, and medical kits. Whatever blanket, pillows, or sleep supplies. Please stay safe. Are these three? This for 34-degree burn will burn every single thing in its path. Please do not resist while it's happening.
This is the end. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this CAS video. Goodbye.